Lavender.com, the agricultural online marketplace. In the Austrian Weinviertel, several farmers have joined together in a cooperative to grow lavender and are now cultivating 25 hectares of this drought-resistant plant. Maximilian Strick harvests the fields on contract and then processes the lavender into high-quality lavender products. For the harvest, Maximilian wanted a practical harvesting machine, which he quickly built himself together with his colleague. For this, he bought an old Pottinger loader wagon on Lavender.com. The construction of the harvesting machine is quite simple. At the front, there is a double sickle bar, which was also bought on Landwirt.com and then modified a bit. Maximilian and his colleague handled all the welding and modification work. With a kind of lifting device, the lavender is straightened up and harvested with an even cut. With extensive tests in the fields, the two of them needed about 3 months for the construction. The cost of the materials here amounts to about 3,500 euros. Working and testing time is about 150 hours. The harvesting machine is very easy to pull and can be operated without any problems using a small tractor. The lavender itself was planted at a width of 1.50 meters, which requires a narrow working track. The used loader wagon from Landwirt.com is ideal here as it still has a narrow wheelbase and is therefore perfectly suited for the planting width. Even though the harvesting machine is already working very well, further improvements will be made soon so that no individual plants are left behind. Within a time frame of about 3 weeks, lavender is harvested on warm, sunny days for the best quality lavender oil. On a harvest day, about 1 hectare is harvested and processed immediately afterward to ensure the highest quality and oil content. Maximilian also built the machines for the distillation of the lavender himself. The principle here works similarly to distilling spirits. In a converted wine tank, steam is used to extract the essential oils from the lavender blossoms. After cooling, the mixture liquefies and produces lavender oil and lavender hydrolate. The oil is then decanted and stored in stainless steel barrels. Streck lavender products, such as essential oils, can be purchased online.